Hey guys, today we're going to make our first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S25 and now you want to make a first time setup, so let's see how can do this. First of all, you'll enter this type screen. Here you'll get the welcome here and you have to select your language here. Just tap on it and then select the language which you want. As I have selected, just select OK here and then select start, and after that you'll get on this type screen where this is for your review. You just have to agree to these are terms and policies of your phone. This is end user license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostic data. Just select them all and then select agree, and after that here you will get the easy setup with another device. If you are using any device which can be your Samsung, Android, iPhone, or iPod. So you can easily do the easy setup with the device just using a scan QR code. But I'm going to set up manually because I don't have any phones. Just select setup manually. And after that, first of all, you just have to connect to your network. Just tap on your network and here just enter the network password. Just enter password, then select connect here, and after that when you are connected to internet just select next here, and here you'll get this type display which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. It will take almost 2 to 3 minutes to make a setup of your phone, so you must have to wait for this until it's being loading. So just wait for it. It will take almost 2 or 3 minutes. After the loading has been completed, you will get a this type display which is copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more. If you're using a Samsung device, you can easily select this option. With this, you can easily copy all of your phone data to this phone. But I'm going to select don't copy, and here it will take this type display, and after that you just have to set up your Google account here. So just wait for its loading, and here you will have to set up your Google account. If you have any other account, you just can easily log in here, but if you won't have an account you can easily create account. I'm going to skip this. Just select skip and select skip here, and here you can easily protect your phone with your face recognition, fingerprints, patterns, pin or password which you want. You can easily make a setup here, but I'm going to skip this step. Just select skip, then skip anyway. And here's some Google services. There's location, allow scanning, send user and diagnostic data, install apps, and much more. You just have to select them all, and after that it will take this type screen which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, so you just have to wait for it. Just wait for it. And after that's loading you have to enter your Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account you can easily log in with your email, phone number, or with your QR code. But if you won't have any account, just select the third option which is forgot password or don't have any account. Select this, and here you can easily create new account, but I'm going to skip this and I will set up letter in settings. So just select this option which is set up letter in settings, and here just skip this, and after that you just have to select them all, which is Samsung service legal information. These are terms and conditions, so you just have to select them all and then select agree. And here you have Samsung services which is auto blocker and customize survey. You must have to agree them, and here you have to choose your display mode which might be light or dark which you want. You can easily select it. I'm going to select dark. Just select it, then select next, and here you must have to wait for it, and after the loading you will get this type interface which is your all setup. So we have done all the setup. Now we can use our phone. Just select home to go to home screen of your device. So that's how you can easily make a first setup of your Samsung Galaxy S25. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.